Start your day by rising early between 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. As soon as you wake up, drink a full glass of water to hydrate your body from within. Step outside and let the morning sunlight awaken your senses and set the tone for your day. Fuel up with a high-protein breakfast to ignite your energy and keep you going strong. Take 5 to 10 minutes to calm your mind through meditation. If you can, squeeze in a quick workout to energize your body and sharpen your focus. Enjoy a cup of coffee or tea to give your mind a clean boost of clarity. Then, dive straight into your deep, focused work while your energy is at its peak. Later, read a book to challenge your thinking and feed your curiosity. For lunch, choose a meal rich in protein and low in carbs to sustain your momentum. Step outside again for some fresh air and a burst of natural light. Connect with friends or family to nourish your relationships and uplift your spirit. Engage in a creative activity, paint, play music, or write to express yourself fully. For dinner, enjoy a meal packed with protein and healthy carbs to refuel your body. An hour before bed, take magnesium to relax your body and mind deeply. Turn off all screens to protect your rest from blue light and distractions. Reflect on your wins for the day and set clear goals for tomorrow. Practice deep, slow breathing to calm your mind and prepare for rest. Finally, head to bed between 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. to recharge and wake up stronger. Follow this rhythm daily and watch your life transform in ways you